but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew.
What is up, everybody? Welcome back to T-Dog Customs and to another video. This is kind of like a bonus video. I was going to end the video last night and just kind of relax, but I figured, you know what? Today we're going to get you guys some bonus footage. We're doing a wheel bearing today. Before we left to come to Jeep Jam, I kind of knew that the passenger side was iffy, and I figured, you know what, we'll see how far I can get. And the truth of the matter is, we made it out here fine, and we could probably make it back home fine. However, lightning usually doesn't strike twice, and I kind of feel like our luck may run out. There's some bad roads between here and home, with a lot of unseen potholes, divots, bumps, and it won't take a lot to put enough pressure on that bearing to just pop it. So if you jack up the truck and like lift up on the wheel, it moves. So that tells you that you've got some bearing issues, and it's just a matter of time. So we're gonna replace that today. I actually had one. Let's see if it's still in the Jeep or still in the truck. Yeah, right over there in that gray box. Before we left, I bought one just in case this happened. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and pop that wheel bearing on. I have all my tools. I can do a wheel bearing in about 20 minutes now. I've got it pretty patented down. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And a lot of this stuff, I'm going home with a lot of stuff, guys. My cousin had a lot of junk that he did not want or use or need. So he was like, yo, if you want it, take it. So I'm doing him a favor by cleaning out some of his shop. With some, there's like a down pipe, a 4-inch down pipe up there, some other miscellaneous items that I will be sneaking with, but all that to say, yeah, we should be good. As I've been hustling, got the wheel bearing on, tires wheels rotated, and all my tools are loaded up. All that's left is to come back in the Jeep, and we will load the hard top on, get the doors on, get the everything with that taken care of, and we will be ready to roll. So I'm gonna go enjoy the last day. I will probably see you guys when we are headed home. I'm gonna try to video that. We're gonna make our stop at Buc-ee's, as always. My favorite place to stop when we're coming to Florida or anywhere over this direction. Well, guys, it has finally come time. It's like probably 10:30 at night. A little later than I was anticipating. We've just been having a good day, a good last day here with family, and so we decided, hey, I don't have to work tomorrow, so let's stay as long as we can. So that's kind of the whole dealio. Is we got everything loaded up, the Jeep, and I'm just running some of the last few bags and boxes down to the truck, and then we're gonna head out, get on the road, start heading back to Virginia. And I'm starting pretty tired. Well, we have the truck, the Jeep, all loaded up, ready to head back to Virginia now. All right, guys, well, we ran into a little mishap where I ran out of diesel. So we're in, like, I think Georgia right now. Anyways, I was able to empty about half of a 5-gallon in from the Jeep. So emptied it out from the Air Dog fuel pump real quick, put it in the truck, and we're gonna get back on the road. And the gas station is literally right there. So could have been worse, but I guess it's bound to happen at some point. So anyways, just thought I'd update you guys with that. Just an update, we did make it to a Love's gas station, and we're not as in a bad situation as we were. So everything seems to be good, and we can go on and make it back home. Almost forgot to follow up with you guys because I'm so tired. Anyways, we made it back home, and I am unloading the Jeep currently so I can take it to work tomorrow. But yep, everything around the property is doing good. My dad cut the grass while we were gone, so my dad and mom actually both. So very thankful for that, because it was a jungle. But yeah, time to unload all this, and gonna put the trailer back. And we had no issues at all driving there. I take that back. We did have one issue. I ran out of fuel, which you guys saw. So other than that, we had no issues. I don't know, something with my fuel gauge must be up, because we had on the fuel gauge, it showed half or a little under half of a quarter tank left. So I don't know if something with the gauge is just not reading accurate or what, but I will not make that mistake again, hopefully. I say that, hopefully. Also, if I have stuff in my teeth, it's because I just ate some pizza. But yeah, let's get this out. I think this will wrap up this video. To be honest, guys, I'm super tired, and we will make another video kind of recapping the whole time, maybe with some footage and stuff like that. But that's a wrap, guys, for 2023 Jeep Jam Invasion and PCB. It's a wrap. So it was a great, hopefully next year we can make it out to that and Daytona for Jeep Week. But anyways, don't forget, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and I will catch you guys in the next upload. Keep grinding. Peace.